Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 and Shokz OpenRun Pro. The Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 and Shokz OpenRun Pro are both notable bone conduction headphones. The Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 costs around $179.95 and is highly recommended for anyone looking for high-quality open-ear headphones that prioritize safety and comfort. The OpenRun Pro 2 offers up to 12 hours of battery life, an improvement over the original model. While the microphone is adequate for calls and voice commands, it is noted that it doesn't match the clarity of Shokz OpenFit model. The Shokz OpenRun Pro heads are recommended for those looking for a comfortable, safe audio option during workouts with improved sound quality. The OpenRun Pro offers a battery life of about 10 hours. The headphones are not customizable in terms of fit, which could be a drawback for some users. Due to the open ear design, these headphones are not recommended for use in noisy settings. The price and potential sound leakage are worth considering if budget or quiet listening is a priority. In my opinion, Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 offers upgraded sound quality, better battery life, and enhanced features, making it more worth it than the original Shokz OpenRun Pro. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.